What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL on deck. And this device about to go back into my rotation heavy. So the first thing I'm gonna need to put on this device is the screen protector. Now, shout out to a company called Smart Devil. They sent your boy out the quick installation screen protector for my Pixel 9 Pro XL. And also, this screen protector is the dust-free box series, meaning when you install a screen protector, it's inside of a box, so you're less likely to get those little dust mites on your screen that cause bubbles. Now, this screen protector has two-step bubble-free install, millisecond fingerprint unlock, ultra smooth feel, non-H hardness, explosion proof, and scratch resistant, and bubble free. So definitely something that you want to try out for your Pixel 9 Pro XL. I'll put a link in the description. Pull like so. Okay, so let's get everything out here, guys. Now in this kit, you actually get 3 screen protectors. 2 screen protectors in this envelope, 1 screen protector already loaded into the install frame for easy installation. Prior to installing any screen protector, you're gonna have to clean your display really good. So we also get 3 cleaning kits. Shout out to Smart Devil for that. Now let's go ahead and install one of these dust-free, non-H hardness screen protectors on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So first you're gonna hit the device with the alcohol wipe to clean any dirt, any residue off your screen. Then you're gonna hit the device display with a microfiber just to make sure that you got any streaks. You want a really clean, streak-free display. And if there happens to be any dust at all, you have a dust sticker to remove that dust to make sure you got all dust off the screen. Then you can put your phone in the dust-free installation box, meaning less dust, less likely to have any bubbles between your screen and the tempered glass screen protector. Now we're going to get the dust-free frame out, guys, to install the screen protector. Now, as you can see, guys, the sides of the frame are covered up so no dust gets in between the actual screen protector and the display of your device. None blows up in there. So as you can see, we got an area that says top, so you know exactly where the top is. All you have to do is cover your phone, then you pull down on the arrow, pull this in what they call exhaust out, and wait 10 seconds. So we got the phone in there with the clean display, ready to pull down, and we're just gonna pull down like so. And we're gonna hold it for 10 seconds, guys. Just continue to hold it, don't let go. Hold it for 10 seconds and you can see the actual screen protector adhering really good, really fingerprint free. And I mean, it just went from side to side, easy, guys. So I really like this easy installation here. So I pull everything off, guys, and as you can see, just a nice, clean, easy install of a non-H hardness, dust-free screen protector from Smart Devil, ensuring that I don't crack or shatter the display on my Pixel 9 Pro XL. Also, guys, with this kit, you get a very important screen protector, and that is for the lenses for the cameras on your Pixel 9 Pro XL. I've actually cracked a camera lens on my Pixel 7, and I wish I would have never did that, and I wish I had something like this. This is definitely ultimate protection. So all you gotta do is clean that area up and pop this tempered glass screen protector on to keep your cameras safe, guys. So that's very dope to come in the same box with the screen protector and also the protector for this glass on the back. Trust me, you don't want to crack a camera lens. So I just added a new fingerprint. I advise anybody that put a new screen protector on, just go ahead and redo your fingerprint to make sure it works and it's calibrated with your screen protector. Now let's just try the screen protector real quick, guys. As you can see, right in there. Now, one thing I do like is this screen protector, guys. It feels really smooth. Some screen protectors feel tacky, cheesy, and feel like they're not adhered to the phone, so it's not a good experience. But this one feels just like the phone display, nice and smooth and easy, and moves around and just as reactive as if you just had only the display on the device. Also, guys, this is scratch proof. So if you got your device in your pocket, let's say you got your keys in your pocket, and you know how they do the little thing where they scratch against your display. Now you got the anti-scratch Smart Devil screen protector on, so it's not adding any scratches. Look, I just went over it with the screwdriver. You can hear I'm smacking the screwdriver on there, and I'm not picking up any scratches. This is really anti-scratch. But shout out to Smart Devil. This is really a quick installation, very protective, 9H temper glass screen protector, anti-scratch. Looks really good, feels really good on the device. I'll put a link down in the description. This is your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.